Finally, it's all official. Samsung was waiting for the year of 2024 so they can release their event on the 17th of January. Samsung is starting S24 reservation on their website, and you are going to get $50 discount. So I highly recommend you to check Samsung official website. The major concern is regarding the S24 series Zoom and Well. According to Samsung, tagline Zoom with Galaxy AI is coming, where they are teasing the low light zoom capability of the S24 Ultra, meaning zoom has finally been upgraded compared to the S23 Ultra, which we have a 5x sensor, but S24 Ultra has a bigger sensor size, and with the help of Galaxy AI, Samsung will provide us a better zoom image performance than the SS23 Ultra. Of course, we have wait for the launch of S24 series and see how much the difference is in real life. And finally, Samsung has also officially cleared two biggest doubts regarding the S24 series and the S24 Ultra. First question, do you need to pay for using Galaxy AI features? And the answer is no, you don't need to pay using Galaxy AI features. This features is totally free. Samsung has officially confirmed that you need internet connection and Google account for using Galaxy AI features. And the best thing is not all Galaxy AI features will require internet, so some of these will work offline. This is a very good step by Samsung. Galaxy AI features like live translate, and you can use the Galaxy Owl to edit images. We are defiantly in for a major surprise. And finally, I have to say Samsung Unpacked teaser is actually pretty good. They have highlighted all the prime features of the previous Galaxy flagship phones to build the ultimate excitement for the next Galaxy S24 series. This is actually quite innovative because unlike Google, Samsung is truly going all out with the AI features, like the whole event is all about Galaxy AI. That's all for this. So if you like this video, subscribe.